This is the VPC Resources Chlorine Dioxide Residual Test Kit, Titration Kit. Available at vpcresources.com. Can also send for information at info@vpc-resources.com. The kit comes with an Erlenmeyer flask, a phosphate buffer, a starch indicator, and a titration solution, and also potassium iodide packets. This titration kit is calibrated for 0.1 levels per drop, and really 0.1 to single digits of concentration of chlorine dioxide. If more is required, you can always do serial dilutions with your solution, i.e. instead of using a 200 milliliters of solution, you can use one milliliter with a serological pipette and then dilute to 200 would be one method, and then multiply the resulting concentration times 200 to get the actual residual chlorine dioxide. Step 1, fill the flask with 200 milliliters of your sample solution. Remember to read the bottom of the meniscus. There we go. I'm going to add the sodium phosphate buffer solution, 10 to 15 drops. Then we're going to add the potassium iodide powder packet. If you have residual chlorine dioxide, you will see a yellowish color change at this point. You see the color change? It means there's free oxidant in the water. There's free chlorine dioxide in this sample. Next, add a couple mils of the starch indicator solution. Swirl, you'll see a color change from a light purplish color to a blue color. Next, add the titrant solution drop-wise, and make sure you do this level drops like this and count them, swirling gently. Do this process slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll swirl. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can see the solution getting a little bit lighter. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, getting closer to the endpoint, 24, 25, 26. You see it's going right there at the solution endpoint at 26. I'd estimate the next couple drops. 27, 28. There, we have the endpoint. It's always good to add a couple more drops just to kind of ensure. Oh, there we go. There it is. That was 28 drops. 28 drops corresponds to 2.8 residual chlorine dioxide. That's the solution test kit. The results gave 2.8 parts per million of chlorine dioxide.